picture of the back of that shirt. Cactus Jack here, and we are with Windall Williams, who is the head honcho. I don't know if he's the head honcho, but he gives me all the information about the River 10 car shows the Rod runs they have every year.
Well, glad to be here, Cactus Jack. Yes, I'm the president of the River 10 Street Rods. And guess what? We've been doing this since 1977.
I remember the first one.
Were you there?
I'm a motorhead, and back in those days, I was still working on cars for a living. So.
Well, I happened to miss it because I wasn't eligible.
Yeah,
to be
didn't
eligible,
have,
you have to have a car. Yeah,
back then it was 48 and older, I think.
Started 32s. Then they actually stretched it a little bit. Now I'm going to let the 48s in.
Okay.
And now what we've done is we've changed it if it's 50 years old, so 1976 or older, then you're eligible to be the part of the car club or be a participant at our car show.
Well, see now, if it was a 54 or newer, I'd be young enough to be displayed if I was a car, but we're aging ourselves here. All right, this is the map. This is the layout that we're doing at River 10 Rod Run. Tell us about that.
All right, the address that you want to look for if you do GPS, 2900 Irving Cobb Drive. That's in Paducah. That's on the south side of town. Mertco Industries is the facility, and Mertco, Keith Burt Sr., has allowed us to use the vacant lot that's adjacent to his business.
Shout out to Keith Mert, by the way. He does a lot for the car community and an enormous amount for the community in West Kentucky.
Yeah, you can't say enough about Keith. He is there to help and make sure that we're successful. So it's really been a benefit.
I'm going to back out here and we'll cut to this.
Okay.
I'm going to ask a question here in a minute. Well, you'll see what I'm doing.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to step aside here and let you have the floor because you actually know what you're talking about. I'm taking up too much room in the video. So you tell us what's going on June 6th.
All right. Address 2900 Irving Cobb Drive, Paducah, Kentucky. Timing. Our official start time is 9 o'clock. Our official finish time is 3. So we're going to occupy 6 hours of your day, but we're going to fill it up with a lot of activities. It's easy to enter. You have to have a 1976 aged automobile, that's 50 years, to be a participant. The cost is affordable. It's $20. Now,
and that's for exhibitors only.
That's for exhibitors. For spectators, because we want all the people that enjoy cars, car enthusiasts, come out and enjoy this show. The admission is donation. Whatever you feel appropriate. The benefactor to this is one charity. It's called the Disabled American Veterans, DAV. So the money we raise through sponsors, through t-shirt sales, through spectator fees, through participant fees, we collect all that, and then we make a donation that we're going to do on June 24th to that organization. Okay? 2900 Irving Cobb. Now that's a very busy street. So what we do is we route you down a side street, either Tully, that's on one side, or Bethel on the other side, down to a cross street called Powell. On Powell Street, we're going to come in through the back entrance. So it's you're not in jeopardy. I don't know if you've had any rubbernecking experiences, but on Irving Cobb, there's a tendency for that to occur. Some of these cars, they have a lot of time, effort, and money in them, so we want to protect them and make sure they're in good shape. So you're going to come in the back, we're going to greet you and ask you for $20. Now, if you're a spectator, we have side parking on the back side of the event, so that way you can park your car, get out, and then walk into the venue and see our spectator entrances. As you proceed into the venue, we'll give you a registration slip to fill out. We'll ask you to go park. We'll lend a little assistance there, so that way you're organized. So it's not just random. So that way we can maximize the number of cars to fit to the available space of the venue. So here in the front side is where all the participant parking is. And if we get more cars than we planned for, we're expecting 150, then we have some overflow parking even available so we can accommodate more. We're creating a food court. So we have hamburgers, hot dogs, Italian beef, we've got Dippin' Dots. The DAV auxiliary is going to have pulled pork sandwiches, potato chips, and drinks. We'll have you a nice place to sit in the shade, picnic tables with tents over them.
That's one of the number one things for me. The number one perk for this is it is in the shade. So many car lots, so many car shows are on fairgrounds or grandstands or racetracks, and you just cook in the sun. And this one is very comfortable, very shady.
Very shady. We have a number of vendors that are choosing to display their services or goods. So we'll have access for them. Now, since our venue has spread out a little bit, and since we're a little bit in the older ages, the walking distance, to facilitate that, we're doing ride shares. We're going to have guys on golf carts.
Nice.
They'll circulate through the venue. Hey, I need to go to registration. Hail them down. Get a ride.
Jump on here.
Jump on. We've got another guy that'll take you to the food court and just continue to circulate. Take you to and bring you from. Now, they call that DoorDash, but we're not doing that. We're just ride share. And then oftentimes you're involved in conversation, you're having a good time, so you may not hear that you've won a door prize. Oh, well, they announced your number. We have a person dedicated in ride share to come through the venue, announce the winners, and give you a ride to go to the door prize booth and get your door prize.
So if you miss your door prize at River 10, it's your own fault.
It's your own fault. You're just not paying attention. So just look up, watch for the golf carts.
You know, with the quality of the cool cars at River 10, it's easy to not pay attention, brother. It's easy.
You're distracted a lot because there's a lot to see, and they're fabulous cars. So we have a good time. Now, that's from 9 to 3. Separate from this, because some people want to know, well, the car club, River 10 Street Rods, are they involved in having their cars there as well? And ours will be there, but they're display only. They are not participating in any of the activities for the cars that are there.
And for those that don't understand car shows, it might be a good idea to run down a thumbnail sketch of how the cars are judged and that they have to be entered for the judge to come to your car.
Right. So the $20 qualifies you to be a participant. You complete your registration slip. We'll give you a ticket for a cash drawing that we do at the end of the show. We'll give you a goodie bag. We'll give you a dash plaque to commemorate this event. And then you put your car on display. Our car club members, we're knowledgeable. We drive the same vehicles. We work on them, fix them, shine them. They are the ones that vote to determine who your top 25 are. The top 25 vote getters each receive a trophy. We do a rat rod category. We have a veteran category. We have a furthest drive. And then we also feature a special award because we reach out to the community. This year's honoree is Owen Crowder. He is a special needs, Sarah and John Crowder's son. He likes cars. Owen's going to make his pick. So we do special. We have 3 sponsor picks. Now these are guys that are real avid car enthusiasts. Keith Mertz Sr. is one. Mickey Heflin is another. Rodney Souter is the third. And this trophy stands about almost 2.5 foot tall. They tell me the market value on that, if they have one made, is about $100. So in order to be able to offer a variety of awards for the participants that are at our show. We'll have door prizes, 50 of those to give away. That's 10 an hour. And then
I see the cash drawing there on the page too.
Yes, so we give away $900. Now what that means is we have 4 $50 winners. We have 2 $100 winners. We have 1 $500 winner. Now what's happened over the years is some of those winners have opted to give the money back to the
Donate it back to the
Their choice. There's no commitment here. If you want to put it in your pocket, you're welcome to. But if you feel like it, well.
Okay. Car people are very generous people. Just remember that and you'll be fine.
Exactly. And very courteous, very helpful. And that's what we want people to be, very respectful of what they see. manage, look and as much as you
Hands
want.
off.
Hands off.
You want to get a closer look, walk by with your camera and then zoom up later.
Or enjoy it with your hands in your pocket.
There you go. That's good. Wendell, this is part 1 of a 3-part series, and that gives us how to get to the event on the day of. So we're going to step back here, and then we'll move to a different view and talk about some more at the River 10. It's June 6th.
June 6th.
The 49th annual River 10
Street Rod.
Street Rod Run.